Hello guys, once again welcome to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click on notification bell so that you could be the first person to get update from me whenever I release a new video. So guys, today without further ado, I'll be showing you a new USDT site called autousdt.com. So guys, without further ado, let's sign up a new account with them. So if you want to sign up a new account with them, it's really easy. So you just click on sign up button over here. So when you click on the sign up button, you just type in your email, your password, your security password, then your invite code. So you need to use my referral link so that you could be able to sign up a new account. So I already have an account, so I'll just click on sign in, then I'll sign into my account. So I just sign in right now. So this is the dashboard of my account. As you can see from here, this is the dashboard of my account. So, and I've also made a withdrawal on this site. So guys, if you want to deposit into this site, just click on the deposit button over here. So when you click on the deposit button, you could be able to see that there is this barcode and the TRX address over here. So you copy the TRX address, and they are saying that the minimum investment or the minimum deposit here is just 5 TRX, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes so that it could be able to reflect on your dashboard. So you choose the recharge, or you choose the account that you want to deposit in. So you choose either the basic or the financial. So that's all you need to know before you can actually deposit into this site. And the minimum recharge is just 5 TRX. So after everything, you click on recharge completed, then you head back onto your dashboard. So this is how the dashboard look like. So if you want to withdraw, to just click on withdrawal. You just click on withdrawal here. So the minimum withdrawal is just 0.01 TRX, 0.01 USDT, up to 1000 USDT. So if you want to withdraw, you can either choose your USDT or your TRX. So you type in the amount you want to withdraw, you paste your wallet over here, you enter the security, then you confirm. That's what you basically need to do. So guys, that's what you basically need to do. And they also have some investment options over here. They'll be giving you 8% per a day for 7 days. So let's say if you click on it over here, the starting amount is just 0. So assuming you want to invest 10 over here, after 15 days, after 7 days, you'll be making 15.60 USDT. Guys, this is really good. You all can try. So they also have the 16% per day. That one for 15 days. If you invest, let's say a minimum amount of 10, you'll be getting 34 after 15 days. So guys, don't waste time, just hurry up onto this platform. You can also share with your friends and family so that you could be able to earn more and more. You can also post on your social media platforms. So each and every day you need to click on the trading over here. So when you click on the trading, you could be able to see that your profits will be preparing. So currently I'm on the VIP one, the 17% per day. So currently I'm on the VIP one, and my profit is just curing. So guys, this is all you need to do, or this is all you need to know on this platform. They also have their support over here and their notification over here. So as you can see guys, I was able to withdraw today. So this is my withdrawal. So I was able to withdraw 1.29 TRX. So let me confirm on my Binance account right now. So on my Binance account, I've received the 1.29 over here. So the site is really legit. Don't hesitate, jump onto the site right now so that we can all make more money. Thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel. If you find my video really informative, then like and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that I could be able to get more updates from me whenever I release any video. Thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV, and I'm out.